How to remove alerts on TradingView. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove alerts on your TradingView app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your TradingView app. Open the stock, currency pair or crypto pair from where you want to remove the alert. Now here I have set the alert. To remove the alert, simply press and hold the alert. And you will here get the option to remove. Tap on it and tap on yes. Now the alert is removed. So this is how you can remove alerts on TradingView. Thanks for watching.